everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review this digital photo frame by Pexar. This one can go both ways, diagonally or horizontally, and it's gonna automatically flip itself and correct itself to the picture. It has many different settings to make it customizable and personalized for each one of us. You can share this one with your friends or your family. So your friends or family, let's say your grandma, your mother, your kids, can send you pictures to your photo frame via the code that you can share with them, and you can experience their best moments of life captured by pictures, as well as you can experience your own personal pictures and moments of life that you would love this frame to show. This photo frame is touch, and I absolutely love the matte finish of the glass, so it is not reflecting any light, as you can see. So it doesn't matter of the lighting situation inside your house, this photo frame is never gonna reflect the light, so you won't be able to see the picture. It's made in an amazing ergonomic design. This Pexar's digital photo frame comes with a 2K resolution display for enhanced clarity, that to ensure the smooth playback of your best pictures and videos. By the way, yes guys, this frame can play videos as well. This one even has an offline functionality, so you can showcase your favorite memories even without an internet connection. This one is connected to a cord, so it needs to be connected to the power to run it. The frame utilizes the Frameo application. This smart application allows the users a faster uploads of your pictures, as well as you can upload your pictures to this frame through SD card or USB. All the options are open: smart application, SD card, or USB. You choose what way works the best for you. This one is a gift-friendly packaging, so this one is gonna be an amazing gift idea for any type of occasion. The box itself is super cool. First of all, the box that it is came in can be used as a picture frame itself, like a fixed picture frame for one picture. So you're welcome to insert any photos of you that you would love it to be and use it as an additional picture frame, as well as you can use this box for any other type of ideas. There is no end to the imagination. I will use it as like a jewelry box, let's say. I think it's gonna fit really cool. That type of a packaging is adding even extra value, and since we're all about recycling and saving our planet, it's best to keep on using the packaging box instead of just trashing it. Well guys, let's get started with the detailed tech review of this photo frame. Let's get started. So this is a Pexar by Lexar 2K digital picture frame. So it's available in two sizes, 11 inches or 10.1 inches, and I've got mine in 11 inches. Guys, the link to the Amazon listing is going to be down below in the description box. This one is an anti-glare IPS touch screen, so that means that there is no reflection going to be on this frame, and that's an amazing ergonomic design. It's, by the way, can play an amazing gift idea for any type of occasion, for your loved ones, for your friends, for your family. So the Pexar Wi-Fi picture frame is best option for photo display and gifts. Now guys, let's talk again about the 2K anti-glare touch screen. So you're welcome to enjoy a 2000 on 1200s resolution of a touch screen, which serves up vibrant visuals on a stunning 11-inch design type of a frame. With the anti-glare screen, you are gonna get way less reflection from any angle for portraits or landscape pictures. It's an easy setup and extra easy to use. All that you need to do, you just download the smart application. So if for any reason you don't want to use the smart application, you're very welcome to use an SSD card. So you have a space at the back of the frame, especially designed and made to insert your SSD card. So you can absolutely upload to this frame through a cable of Type-C. So you are welcome to insert your SSD card with the pictures into the frame, and it's gonna work. As well as you can use your computer and you can transfer your pictures and videos directly to the frame from your computer via a cable. This frame is great for all ages, from kids to elderly, and it's easy to add pictures through the Frameo app and directly from your phone to the frame. Within seconds it's going to be sent, and it is extra privately and secure, so no one will ever have an access to your private pictures and videos. You can share photos and videos, and that's the coolest thing about this frame. So you can invite family or friends to share photos or videos with your frame. You can even tap the pictures to react and send emojis and smileys from miles apart to your friends and family that just sent you these pictures. It also has even more smart features like the auto photo rotation. So once you're going to rotate your frame, it's going to automatically adjust itself. Also, you can see a weather displayed at the frame at your region where you are living, as well as you have a clock, so you'll be able to see the time that it is displaying, as well as you have a sleep mode for the frame that you're welcome to use. It is private and have a great storage option, so it comes comes with a built-in memory of 32 gigabytes internal storage, and as well as it's empowered by the Lexar's tech support, so you can absolutely upgrade effortlessly to 1 terabyte, like up to 1 terabyte of data this frame can include. Also, you can add an SD card, as I told you, or you can even use a USB-A flash drive for your storage desires. Well, guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine about this digital photo frame by Pexar. Be so very sure to check it out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, sales. It's Black Friday. Black Friday, best sale of the year, best price. You can never ever find this frame for a lower price than it's right now, so you're very welcome to go check out the Black Friday promotion. Of course, Black Friday is the best deals of the year. Like, I mean, everybody knows that, right? So, guys, this frame definitely looks absolutely amazing in our living room. We choose to put this one in our living room, even though I tried it in our bedroom, but I do want my guests to see the pictures too. And my bedroom, obviously no guests are going there instead of me, my husband. So I definitely want people to see the pictures that I want to share with them. And these are such a lovely moments, and I love having this digital photo frame in our living room. I think it adds an amazing style and a great, gorgeous design, as well as it adds this joy just to see these pictures and to memorize these, events, these travels, these moments that I captured with these pictures, as well as I love for my mom to send pictures to this frame as well. So it's fun and truly like warming up my heart to see my family, my parents, my husband, my daughter being on this frame, because these are our best moments of our life and I love to watch them again and again and again. Well, guys, be so very sure to check Pexar out. And that was actually all for today. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.